Hello! In front of me I have Mibro Watch A1 and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of steps taken or track the steps on this watch. We can check the amount of steps taken on this watch in a couple of ways. The first way is to do it on the watch face, because some of the watch faces display that information. The second way is to do it through the widget, and the last way is to do it on the phone, if your watch is paired with a phone. Okay, first let's wake up the screen on our watch, and you should see your watch face rather. And once you see the watch face, some of them will display the information about the steps. As you can see, here we have the step meter on the watch face, and it displays the information. Another way to do it is to open the widget. So you can wake up the screen, swipe left on the screen, scroll through the widgets until you find the exercise stats, and here you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu where you can check the amount of steps taken. And you can also open the menu on your watch by pressing the home button, tap on exercise data, then swipe up, and you will see the steps right here. And if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also check this information in the phone application. So I'm gonna move this aside, bring our phone right here. Okay. Zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone. Something like this. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Mibro Fit application. And in the app, you will see this activity menu. And as you can see here, we have the steps. You can also tap on it to get the more information about the steps. And you can tap on step count to open the even more detailed information like daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly if you want to. Okay. And that's how you check the amount of steps taken or track steps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.